Search engines are a very productive source of information gathering as they provide access to a vast range of publicly available data. Through specific search queries, one can find information such as email addresses, social media profiles, forum posts, documents, and press articles that may reveal insights into the internal structure or security weaknesses of a target organization. Often, this information is unintentionally or unknowingly made available online due to misconfigured systems or careless handling of sensitive data. Google is the most widely used search engine, offering advanced operators that allow highly specific queries to uncover digital breadcrumbs organizations may have left behind. DuckDuckGo focuses on privacy-friendly searching, but it can also be used for OSINT purposes as it aggregates results from multiple sources. Yandex is a Russian search engine that often indexes content not found in Western search engines, useful for investigations involving Eastern Europe or Russia. Shodan is a specialized search engine for internet-connected devices, for example IoT, servers, webcams, routers, etc., often used to identify vulnerable systems exposed online. We'll focus primarily on Google in this video as it provides extended search parameters that enable more precise results and allow the tracking of digital breadcrumbs organizations unknowingly leave behind. The site parameter restricts the result to a specific domain or subdomain. This one searches for the word hacking on example.com. In URL searches for pages with a specific word in the URL. This one, for example, searches on amazon.de, where the word hacking is inside the URL. All in URL restricts results to pages whose URL contain all specified words. This one, for example, searches for all URLs where both the word learn and hacking are contained. In title searches for web pages with at least one specified keyword in the title. This example yields all web pages where either the word ethical or hacking is contained in the title, but it also works for both keywords. Link lists web pages that link to a specified site. The cache parameter displays the cached version of a page stored by Google. The file type parameter filters results by file format, for example PDF, docx, XLS, PPT, etc. This one, for example, searches for PDF documents containing hacking tutorials. In-text searches for pages containing a specific term in the main body text. With this one, you can find web pages that teach you how to hack. These parameters can be combined into complex search queries by separating them with spaces. Google also provides a user interface for advanced searches. All the parameters we discussed before can be filled in this form. A similar option exists for image searches. The Google Hacking Database is a collection of search queries, or Google Dorks, designed to find information on websites that is not intended for public access. These queries use Google search operators to uncover vulnerabilities in websites, misconfigured servers, or sensitive files exposed online. With the Google Hacking Database, you can, for example, identify sensitive files, system and server information, configured servers, directories and folders, error messages, and vulnerable devices. For example, if you search for VPN on the Google Hacking Database site, you will find Google Docs related to VPN footprinting. Entries are listed with a date, the corresponding Google Doc, category, and author. You can also filter by categories by clicking Filters in the top right corner. Then, for example, you can choose Files containing passwords. And after that, you will be presented with a lot of Google Docs that will help you find exposed password files.